Pag gumagala, ang bilis ng araw. Pag nasa work, ang bagal. Kainis. Nope. Thank you.
Ano po, Sir Eric? Sa apartment po. Dito ba yung sa extra shirt po ba na pang swimming? Alright, so everyone, proceed comfortable, okay? Because from here, we're going to travel for more or less 2 hours po. Going to Palawan property. Then, so anyone, do you have some food allergies?
Yes.
Food restrictions? You're vegetarian? How about you guys?
She's vegetarian. She's vegetarian.
Vegetarian also? How about you? Do you have some food allergies? Kayo po, ma'am? Like pork, seafoods, wala naman po.
Ay, seafood.
Seafoods po, bawal.
May shell.
Ay, shell.
Naman po.
Bigat pa, ikaw dito.
Lumalabas ay nararamdaman ko pag ako kumain. Kaya ngayon kumain na matamis eh. Bigla umano yung tinikman ko yung banana bread.